Hello everyone. For today, we will discuss about geometric patterns and their connection to art and culture. Geometric patterns are everywhere. We see them on walls, floors, clothes, and even in nature. These patterns are made from shapes like circle, square, triangles, and many more. A geometric pattern is a design that repeats shapes. These patterns are used in many ways, like in wallpapers, tiles, and paintings. They follow math rules like symmetry and balance that makes them look beautiful and neat. In this discussion, we'll explain how these patterns are used in Islamic and Christian art and why they're important in different cultures.
For this topic, geometric patterns and symmetry. One important idea in geometric patterns is symmetry. Symmetry means balance and repetition. It makes pattern looks even and nice. We see symmetry in nature, buildings, and artworks. Many famous designs like Islamic tiles in church windows use symmetry to create harmony. Architects and designers also use geometric patterns to make buildings strong and beautiful. Symmetry is not just for looks, it is also useful in math, engineering, and science. For example, bridges and towers use symmetry to stay strong and balanced. This shows that math and art are connected in real life.
Islamic art is known for using beautiful geometric patterns. These patterns are made from shapes like circles, triangles, and lines. They are repeated to create balance and symmetry, which makes the art look neat and pleasing. Because of their religion, Islamic artists avoid using human or animal images. Instead, they use shapes, patterns, and Arabic calligraphy. You can see these designs in mosque, carpets, pottery, and clothing. In the Philippines, Muslim groups like the Maranao and Taozo also use geometric patterns in their art. These patterns show their culture and beliefs. One example is ochre, a traditional design with curved lines, floral shape, and geometrical pattern. You can find it in carving and decoration. Another example is batik cloth, which comes from Indonesia but is also used in the Philippines. It has abstract and geometric pattern made with wax and dye. Other Filipino groups like the Yakan, Tibuli, Blaan also use geometric design and the woven fabrics. Their patterns are not just art, they tell stories and show tradition. Islamic and geometric patterns are a big part of both Islamic culture and Filipino. Muslim art, they show that even without using human images, art can still be meaningful and beautiful.
Christian art also use shape and patterns, especially in churches. One common example is tinted glass window. These windows have a colorful glass pieces arranged in circles, square, and crosses to make a beautiful design. When sunlight passes through, the colors shine inside the church, making a look peaceful and holy. Churches also use cross patterns on walls, floors, and decorations. These patterns help make the church look neat and organized. We can also see repeated patterns in mosaics, paintings, and sculptures inside churches. Some churches have a stars and flower design on the ceilings and walls. These patterns make the church look more beautiful and show a connection between faith and nature and art.
To sum up on what we have discussed, the geometric patterns are made of repeated shapes and can be observed in nature, art, architecture, and everyday objects. So symmetry, repetition, and balance contribute to the beauty and appeal of geometric designs, while math and art share common concepts like line, shape, symmetry, proportion, and spatial reasoning. Islamic art avoids human figures and uses floral and geometric patterns in mosques, calligraphy, clothing like batik, and traditional crafts like ochre. Filipino Muslim arts design reflect cultural identity through symmetric and abstract patterns. Christian geometric art in 12th century features in cathedrals and churches, often including human imagery unlike Islamic art. The quadrivium, geometry, music, number, cosmology, connects Christian art to mathematical beauty and cosmic order. The both Islamic and Christian traditions use geometric patterns to express faith, culture, and aesthetics through visual harmony. And that is the end of our discussion. Thank you for listening.